day, by a hedge, I found a half-caste shepherdess, full of joy and common sense, just like the daughter of a peasant. A cape, a jerkin, and a fur-lined gown she wore, and a mesh shirt, shoes and woolen stockings. I walked towards her through the plain. Girl, I said, enchanted being, I am very sorry that the cold stings you. Sir, said the peasant, thanks to God and my nurse, I care little if the wind dishevels me, for I am happy and healthy. Girl, said I, charming thing, I turned away from my path to keep you company. For a young peasant such as you should not, without an equal companion, herd so much cattle in a place like this, alone. Sir, said she, whatever I may be, I can tell sense from folly. Keep your acquaintance, Lord, said the peasant. For those it suits, because some think they keep one in thrall, who shouldn't even dream of it. Girl of noble standing, your father was a knight, and the mother he begot you with was a noble peasant. The more I look at you, the more I find you beautiful, and your joy cheers me up. If you only were a little more human towards me. Sir, all my lineage and my family, as far as I know, goes back to the spade and plough. Lord, said the peasant, but some make knights of themselves, who should do the same 6 days out of a week. Girl, said I, a kind fairy endowed you when you were born with a supreme beauty greater than any other peasants. And you would be doubly nice if for once you were my neighbor, you beneath and I above. Sir, you have praised me so much that I've gotten bored, since you have extolled my virtue. Lord, said the peasant, you'll have this wage when you leave. Beware, fool, beware. And having wasted the afternoon, girl, an aloof and cruel heart is tamed by use, and I know by this exchange that of such a peasant girl one can make a prized companion, with hearts joined in friendship, provided that one doesn't deceive the other. Sire, a man beset by folly swears, pledges and promises gauges thus. Would you pay me homage, Lord, said the peasant, but in exchange for a small reward, I do not want to trade my girlhood for the title of whore. Girl, every creature goes back to its own kind, form a matching pair we must, me and you, peasant, along the pasture, because you will be safer thus in doing the sweet thing. Sir, yes, but according to right, the fool seeks his foolishness, the courteous a courteous adventure, and the peasant another peasant. It is a place despoiled of wisdom, where one doesn't observe moderation. So say the wise people of yore. Girl, your face is the most mischievous I've ever seen, and your heart the most mocking. Sir, I know brings you bad luck, for while one gapes in front of a picture, another awaits the manner